Let's move on now. Congress's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has dared the former US President Barack Obama after his memoir made a mention of the former Congress Party President Rahul Gandhi. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary tweeted, and I quote, "Mr. Barack Obama, I may suggest you to interact with our beloved leader Rahul Gandhi ji on any relevant issues of the world, either physically or virtually, before hurling any churlish comments, so that you would have the opportunity to realize the traits and the attributes of the personality. Think twice before evaluating a leader, otherwise you would have been landed up in the universe of ignorance. Do not get confused by the artificial dazzling light and shed off the frog in the well mentality," unquote. Abhishek Kapoor, our executive editor, is with us. So, Abhishek, the Congress party is saying that the comments made in A Promised Land, the memoir of Barack Obama, were distasteful, and though on many occasions the two leaders have met, but the Congress party is not taking it very well on the comments that were made by Barack Obama on Rahul Gandhi.
Well, Amita, we as a nation perhaps have to become more attuned to the culture of constructive criticism. And what Barack Obama has done in his book is essentially an observation which he has made as an astute statesman of all the leaders he has interacted with as President of the United States, as part of which he would have interacted with Rahul Gandhi as well. And Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary saying that let him have a duel of sorts with Rahul Gandhi, either virtually or physically. I mean, the observation has been made only after engaging with Rahul Gandhi at least more than once. So I think Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is essentially catering to the first family of the Congress party sentiment, and also pandering to the culture of psychopathy that exists in the Congress party. I think nothing beyond that. He obviously owes his chair not to grassroots mass support, but blessings from the first family. So he has to reciprocate. Having said that, as I said, we as a nation perhaps have to become more attuned to the fact that
Abhishek, stay on with us. Amit Malviya of the BJP is with us on the phone line. Well, Mr. Malviya, we've heard several BJP reactions on the same, but it seems the Congress party is not ready to take it down lightly, because their attacks on Barack Obama, the former US president, continues.
Well, is that going to change anything? Is that going to change how Rahul Gandhi comes across? Is it going to make Rahul Gandhi any wiser? Is he going to make Rahul Gandhi any better informed? The fact is that the Congress party can delude itself and continue to defend their prince, but he is just not good enough. And the whole world knows it. Barack Obama has merely put words to what we all know. Every Indian who has watched Rahul Gandhi in the public space knows that he's incapable of leading a party. He's incapable of being in public life per se. He's someone who can't hold a thought together. What is the point of attacking Barack Obama? He said something that is born out of his own interactions with Rahul Gandhi.
Absolutely, because Mr. Malviya, we've not seen that kind of a vociferous attack coming from the Congress's side. Either the top leaders have maintained distance or they are quiet. There are just a certain few handful of them who owe their allegiance to Rahul Gandhi have come out to defend him.
I mean, who in his right mind would come out and attack Barack Obama for saying what is obvious? Except, of course, few people who continue to enjoy whatever little power and pulse is left in the Congress party. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is their leader in the Lok Sabha, so he has a bounded duty to defend Rahul Gandhi, and which is exactly what he's doing.
All right, Amit Malviya of the BJP, thanks very much for joining in. So this is what came after the Congress's criticism of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary attacking the former US president on the book excerpt of Promised Land, which is due to be released on the 17th of this month, where it was a brutal takedown of Rahul Gandhi that has been mentioned by Barack Obama, and where Obama had said that it was Rahul Gandhi who appeared as a nervous, uninformed quality about him, as if a student who had done the coursework was eager to impress the teacher. Here are the attacks that is now coming in from Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary against the former US president.